Hey, this is Tor from Solar Schoolhouse. Today I'm going to share a few tips on what you can do with the Solar Whirlygig A4 kit and some various options that you can create. So just quickly, the introduction of what's in here is we have two solar cells. They're the type that have the threaded post with nuts. There's a solar motor with wires, a wheel that goes on the motor, and then a CD that can be attached to the motor. There's pre-drilled holes on the CDs so that you can add pipe cleaners or other things attached without the need for glue. And then we've also included some of these small energy beads that turn color out in the sun and turn white again when they're out of the sun. And then some double-sided tape, and that's primarily to use for attaching the CD to the wheel. So what you don't see here is a box or some sort of structure to put the solar cells or the motor on, and that's going to be something where you're going to get creative. So what we have as a reference, we can look up solarschoolhouse.org/Solar Carnival. There are a lot of resources there, and in particular I want to share the document that says Whirlygig that has some good instruction, and then also the swing ride, which lends itself really well for these ingredients. So one of the things that I want to share is that you probably look around your house and look for some of these type of boxes. This is something called chipboard. It's really thin. Maybe you had macaroni and cheese, or some brownies, or some popsicles. We're eating a lot of weird stuff here. Anyway, so find a box, and that can be the structure that you build on. Cardboard's really great. Then you can also find just some scrap cardboard, and you can create a box if you want. Cardboard has some nice structure, and it's also easy to cut. One of the tips that we've found over the years, and it's shown in the Whirlygig description, but one of the ways how to attach a motor to a box with some structure that we found that works pretty well is that you can just use the axle to poke a hole, and then take a pen and draw around it a circle, and then just draw what I call a pizza cut, and then taking a little knife or a pair of scissors, just cut the lines in the pizza cut. These little pizza wedges are going to give some material for the motor to hang on to when you poke it up through the hole, through the bottom. So this is a great way to attach a motor to a flat box, creating some little pizza wedges to hold it around, and then you can wrap a piece of tape around there to hold it steady. So that's a little tip that's not in the instructions, that if you need to use that's a good one to have. The other thing, there is instructions on solarschoolhouse.org, Solar Carnival, about making a tube if you want to make the swing ride. The instructions show a little bit of information there, but I'll just share that you can take a piece of cardboard like this, tape the edge to the motor, and just wrap it around so that you get a tube that'll provide the structure to hold the motor. and then you'll tape that. So that's a quick way to create some structure and something to hold the motor. That's shown in the swing ride in the Solar Carnival. Lastly, there's a number of options to make solar scarecrows, and that's basically making a whirligig that goes outdoors in your garden perhaps, and that's using various materials like wood or coroplast, which is a plastic sign material, anything that's a little more waterproof than the cardboard that we're building with for these indoor whirlygigs, well, sunny day whirlygigs. So either way, look around with what you have, and good luck and have fun in the sun.